What's up, world? What's up, world? It's your boy Malik Wali, and we outside as usual, seeing everybody getting active. So the message is today is to get active, stay active, keep moving and grooving. We always winning, never losing. Yes, sir. We out here. Yes, sir. Stay active, my people. Get out here, stay in motion, stay coasting. You dig? Well, yeah, we active out here, bonding with the trees. We out here in nature, grounding. I'm finna do a little grounding. And, y'all know how I do, man. Every day, man. Every day I get it. You know, we gonna do this. Treat the body special. Treat the spirit special. Yes, sir. It's your boy Malik Wali, and y'all have a amazing day. Have an active day. We outside as usual. This is outside fitness, and we getting that fitness in. We keeping straight. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Ain't smelling too fresh, but yeah, we out as usual.